Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this ZINUS platform bed. So the sides have upholstery. So it came with 2 screws. You're simply going to, this has a hinge, so you're going to unhinge this and put the screw right through there. There's where the 2 screws go. Now it's simply just a matter of assembling. The other screws come already in where they need to go. So you have a little wrench. We can loosen these screws, and then right here, those screws, you're going to slide those onto there. And you're going to do that for all 4 corners. Now it does come with this little ratchet tool also. And to make it change direction, you're just going to push this either in or out. So we want to loosen these up quite a bit first so that those hooks will slide in. Now the upholstery side should go up because we're going to be putting feet on the bottom. And the Velcro side should go up. Okay, so once the screws are loosened, you can slide those in the track. Then you're going to tighten these down. You don't want them super tight, but you do want them tight. Those are already tight, so you're only tightening the ones you loosened. Okay. Now in the center, that's where this is going to go. And they're slotted, so all you have to do is, again, loosen these. And it's on both sides. You'll slide it down and then tighten those up. Now before you put the center brace on, you may want to put the feet. So the feet just screw into a threaded insert on the bottom of the bed in all 4 corners. Okay, so this is Velcro right here. Start where the Velcro starts, put one board down, then put the Velcro, then another board. Now that was a little tight with that fabric right there, but if you push it down, it should fit. Okay, all the slats are installed. Okay, let's measure the height from carpet to the top is 14 inches. Left to right is 15.5 inches. Overall length is right at 80 inches. Now this is 2-sided tape here. This is to help hold the bed if you need it to help hold the bed. Okay, so we've got the foam mattress on top. The foam mattress is an IYEE Nature, and to the top of it is 25 inches. That mattress is about 12 inches thick and no squeaking. The bed frame is very secure. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.